Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Levis Family. Guys, welcome back and hi from wherever you're watching us from. So guys, I'm back today. I'm alone again today. Today guys, I'm going to share with you about how to start a cleaning company. So most people have been inboxing me, calling me, wananiuliza hapa nataka kuanza cleaning company, how do we go about it? So guys, I thought I should share with you so that you don't have to go through the struggle of you can just check on our YouTube page and you get all the details. By the way, for those who don't know, I own a cleaning and construction company known as Levis Cleaners and Services. You can check our work, our services that we have offered before on our Facebook and Instagram page. Zote zinajulikana kama Levis Cleaners and Services. So guys, I started as a cleaning company back in 2019. Then last year incorporated the construction services because nimesoma tu kidogo mambo na construction tu kidogo na zingine nimejifunza tu kufi. So guys, back to cleaning company. How do you start a cleaning company? How, in short, mnaniuliza nilianzaje my cleaning company? So the first thing, are you passionate about cleaning? Before you think of what makes you think of opening a cleaning company, are you passionate about it? For instance, me, I'm passionate about cleaning. Let's say we are given this old house in maybe over 5 years belong to Jamaica. Where will you start cleaning? Mimi huwa when I go out with my staffs, I normally take the difficult roles. For example, I clean the toilets in the kitchen, the most dirtiest places. So for you to kufanya poa ama to in cleaning company, you must be passionate about it. But there are these people who have the money and everything. When you wako na kibali ya biashara, by the way, they just open and afungua na register nini, then they employ people to run the business. Good for you also. So the first point I want us to start with, what cleaning is wide. So the first thing you should ask yourself, what service do you want to render? But then it's good you start small. Cleaning ni kubwa. Kuna sofa cleaning, we have carpet cleaning, we have general house cleaning, post-construction cleaning, car cleaning. Yani it's wide. Na daily more things coming up. So go down to other cleaning sites, websites, cleaning company websites in your area where you want to set up your business. See what they offer and what the market is missing. Then narrow down what is missing can be a good start for you. So for example, me, I started with sofa set cleaning, by the way. So I'll be using sofa set cleaning as an example. Once you have done your research in your area and you have established what you want to start with, you can start with normal to general cleaning. Others offer laundry services. Men on collect mango, you go wash, you iron, then you take them back. So once you have narrowed down on what you want to do, that is point number 1. Point number 2, do your research. Ask yourself, do I need training? Kuna shule ya kufunza watu cleaning services. By the way, me, I was not trained by anyone. The only training I have an informal training, the one my mom taught me, leo ni Saturday general cleaning, natoa bed, nini hizo. That is the only informal training I got. But when I decided I want to start a cleaning company, guys, you have to do research. Now, maybe you have narrowed down, you want to do sofa set cleaning. Research on the equipment you use. Siamke tu leo unaenda kwa your client, unachukua vitu unapeleka nje. No, there are equipments. Research on detergents you use. Research on different stains zenye ziko kwa different seats and how to remove the different types of stains. Do a broad research, different fabrics, how to wash them, do your research broadly. That is where you get the training. But hakuna so far kuna tu ile housekeeping, but hakuna hii ya cleaning, hizo detailed cleaning. After you've done your research, now your number one, you have identified the service the cleaning service you want to offer. You have done a detailed research on this service that you want to offer. You know everything, how to do it. Now the third thing, register your business. Under registration, the first thing you will have to do a name search. Register the name of your company. For us, it is Levis Cleaners and Services. After you have registered the name, now register as a company, as a cleaning company. Once you have finished registering as a company, get a business permit. Itakusaidia, ushuru ni lazima by the way. Itakusaidia as in usikuwe na hizi drama na kanjo and everything. Hizo ni what our law expects us to do by the way, guys. Then the fourth one, and usikose hii, most people ignore, insurance. Insure your business, guys. Itakusaidia my people. It will help you. You may not see it, but it may help you in case of anything. For example, umeenda clean. Let's say umefika kwa client mambo you have to clean a chandelier. Maybe it's over even 100,000. Not even to a seat. Maybe it's imported or something. It's expensive. You break maybe the chandelier, or maybe you the fabric while cleaning, if fade the color. What will you do? If you are insured, the insurance will cater to your staff, time ya accidents. Ukiharibu kitu kwa client, insurance will help you sort the bills. If you don't insure yourself, you might end up running into huge debts kulipa hizo vitu zinasababishwa na accident. Guys, kuna hii time, let me tell you a short story. There's this time tulienda kwa client place, me na Levis kuosha vitu. Then it happened, sofa sets zake alikuwa import from Dubai na jai osha. So ndio mwana the first thing it is zikiosha. When we were rendering our services, this lady kept on harassing us. Nawaambia ikiraruka hiyo fabric mnalala ndani. And this, trust me, kama ingeraruka and you're not insured, utalala ndani. But if you insure, that is all threats kama hiyo itakushtua. So now after you have registered all those things, you register business permits, you have your insurance. Now set up your accounting and bookkeeping. This is takusaidia time ya kufile returns and what. Make sure you have a good running system and recording system ya kuweka how your cash flows and everything. After that, now sasa tumekaribia buy your cleaning equipment. Remember, your cleaning equipment go back to point number 1. What service have you chosen to render? So now, for example, you're going to offer sofa set cleaning services. You might need a vacuum cleaner, a steam cleaner, you may mask, gloves, brush, scrubbing brush, you understand those items. So, jiulize ni nini unahitaji. If it is ni carpet cleaning, maybe you may need the scrubbing machine. General house cleaning, you need window cleaner, you need the squeezy, you need the moppers, buckets, ladder, you understand, detergents. So narrow down, know what you want to enable you purchase now the equipment. Now, by the way, when purchasing the equipment, start with what you can afford. Na gani linahitajika sana. So you can start with a vacuum cleaner peke yake. You don't need to purchase vacuum and steam. Then later when you advance, you incorporate now the steam cleaner. After purchasing the equipment, now guys, you're good to go. Start marketing. Our next point. Market your cleaning company. Market Levis Cleaners, for me, for example. Market social network, Facebook, Google Business. Create a web page, website. Hizo zote. Market morning, evening, the day guys, sometimes you find me online at 3. Hakuna kile mufanya marketing. Network with your close friends, family. Let them be your first clients. Tell them, for example, when wana plan to start my cleaning company, nishapata hii idea. Me, I was sharing with my neighbors, my mom, my brothers, now by the way, I've decided I will set up this business. So immediately you have purchased your machine, I know your first clients by the way, and they refer you. So market online, brand your business, brand your show, your office, do branding of your name, so that mtu akiingia Facebook anaona Levis Cleaners, akienda Gigi anaona Levis, then ako like it sound familiar. You understand? Brand yourself. Now after you register your business, guys, ushaanza, maybe you've gotten your first client, create that relationship, a good relationship between the client and the company. Now in case you make mistakes, guys, kubali and you unarekebisha so that you can grow. Then the last point, I'm just referring somewhere. Now kazi kishakuwa imekuwa mingi, you are now overwhelmed. You can now start employing staff. This is one way of expanding also your business, because the person now you have employed pia atenda mali, networking, marketing and everything, but employee just once you are overwhelmed, kazi now ni mingi, you don't know now leo tenda huko mahali. So guys, those are the key points to start a cleaning company. By the way, let me share with you how we started. We didn't have capital. And it was during our worst moments, me and Levis. We were very down, we had nothing. We had lost our items, we had lost our properties, we had lost most of our things that we had set up our other businesses. So guys, tuko tumepoteza, by the way. It was our worst moment. So I had a cyber back then and a PlayStation place, but things didn't work. So I had this friend akanicall, Levis, inaendeleaje your business? I've closed it, shift from Kisumu, I'm now in Mombasa. I'm here, I have a newborn, I'm just confused. So guys, this friend shared about anafungua a cleaning company. Akanielezea, then I was like, in Mombasa it's so dusty, it's hot here, people have carpets, there are many B&Bs around, hotels, they may need this service. Something just clicked in my mind. So nikaanza kuangalia on research. So mimi nikaona yenyewe there's something like this. Sina pesa ya kuanzisha, we didn't even have a coin. So mimi nikaanza kuangalia, then I got a certain cleaning company in Nairobi, but they didn't have a branch here in Mombasa. So I talked to them, wakakubali. So, and I started marketing, guys. So I will get a client, they send someone, we go with them to the client's place, I get a commission. That's how I started. And at the same time, I was learning how to do this job. So I was saving from the commission I used to get. From that commission, I bought my smallest machine of around 8,000. Then slowly I advanced until I was mobile. Slowly I opened a place, I registered my business. So guys, I hope this message will help someone out there. Yeah, that is the end of it today. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for calling. Thank you for asking. I've shared today this content. Thank you for watching. Thank you for calling. Thank you for sharing my videos, guys. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.